YouTube, welcome back. I was over here doing a job in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, and you know how it go. I looked up a local hobby store, and RC Car World came up on my search. So let's go give it a check out, see what they got for sale, y'all. Stay tuned. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh man, this is a great store. They got a great selection in here. I ain't never see one of these. You got the tracks on the fifth scale. Baja. Oh, it's for sale for $1,000. Might add it to the collection. Got the sprint car, 22S. I don't have one of those in the collection. Great inventory in the mini Z's. Here you go, y'all Grimes, y'all. I just picked up a Grime yesterday from RC Misfits. I love that store. Closer to me than this one, but I might get another Grime while I'm here. I don't have the Typhon. Great inventory on the used car selection. X-Max, the Jados, the Typhon, Lucy Drag Car, and Fraction MST RMX. Just the used selection. Oh man, Mini Revo. Yep, definitely buying that. Let me take that home with me. I just picked this up yesterday. 200 3S BLX. Nice. Like I said, this place is located in St. Vincent, New Jersey. Crawlers. Got a little bit of everything in here. Y'all know I love my fifth scales. I already got a DBXL. $600. That's not bad for the hauler. $425 cash for the Heat Wave. Great Lucy NASCAR selection. I already got two of these. I don't need no more. Pro Boat. SRTM. Yeah, the jet ski. I'm gonna get that for the summer. What's this? Aero Trooper. It's my first time seeing that. What don't this store have? I love it. King Sling. $649. Like I said, this is RC Car World, located in St. Vincent, New Jersey. Got a bunch of kits up top.
Did you get the J concept?
Got everything here. On our way up to the indoor RC drift track. Sometimes it's crowded, sometimes it's not. Like it was a crowded day today. What's up, brother? How you? All over. I didn't know you did drifting too.
I just got into it a couple weeks ago because I got my girlfriend's son one, so.
Okay. So I spent about an hour and a half in this store. They got everything. I didn't get much. I got a shirt to support. I got a 4S battery for my Jado. I'm gonna do a video on that later on this week. And that's pretty much it really. I'm gonna come here next weekend. I'm gonna get into the drifting. I got a few cars in the house that I'm gonna put together. And I don't know what I need, so I'm gonna just bring the whole car and all my parts. When I get here, they're gonna get me rolling. So stay tuned for the next video.